What's up guys? So today we are going to Waterfront Hotel to celebrate Adam's 8th birthday. And of course, hindi kompleto ang araw kung hindi kasama yung pamilya. At kahit crisis ay kailangan din naman natin mag-celebrate talaga ng birthday. Bata to.
I think they're not there though.
At di pwedeng walang kanta at celebration pag my birthday.
Waterfront Insular Hotel Davao. We wish you a happy birthday, Ata.
Thank you. Ang pagkatapos kumain ay mag-picture-picture at dito magtatapos ang birthday celebration namin.